Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani Boutique? These designs are our super duper top hit designs, I can say, where we keep selling for years together, and the fabric and the embroideries are amazing, guys, and mind blowing. Let's start the show. The first thing is this, which I am wearing, where I have got beautiful colors in this. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 3 amazing color. The first color is this. It's a deep mehendi color, where these you can find a beautiful mirror works. These are all real mirrors, okay, and with a patchwork where you can find hand embroidery, kata works and abla works on the patch. And then this is the dupatta. All comes with a cotton dupatta, and then this is the pant for this. Dupatta has to be taken care of. You can lightly wash it in a plain water, and then you can iron this. You should not put detergent on this. First time, of course, it's preferably dry clean. And I have got colors in this. See this. This is the same color which I am wearing, and the matching is this. Deep navy blue color with all beautiful original mirrors, and with a patch on the top. And see, the color combination is this. The next design is this, where we have got 4 beautiful colors, and you can find a patchwork on the neck, and then abla works, and then embroideries all over. This comes with a cotton pant with a soft cotton dupatta. Let me open and show you how it looks. This is the top. See, the printed panel will be coming on the center, and you can find beautiful abla works and a patchwork on the neck, and then here and there it's maroon. And the surprise is this. Back is all full printed, so beautiful and nice it is. And once again, this is a soft cotton dupatta, and the pant is this. So this is how it looks. The combination is pretty amazing. Green color, and it comes with this color combination. Indigo blue color with pink matching, and this is the pant, and this comes with the dupatta for this. Deep brown color with blue combination, and see this. This blue is, as such, it's a peacock blue color. The next concept is this. We have got 2 different colors in this. Let me open and show this color. It's a beautiful deep maroon color concept. See this. The fabric is really nice. अस्तर नहीं चाहिए इसी का अंदर, क्योंकि ये fabric इतना thick है, ठीक है? You see how beautiful it is looking. And then this is the pant for this, and it comes with an amazing chiffon dupatta. For this, it's a chiffon dupatta. So this is the color concept. Spreading colors globally. It's a green color with see the embroidery works done on. It's a hand embroidery. In this patchwork, you can see minute ablas as well. And then this is the pant for this, and this comes with the amazing chiffon dupatta. Color combination is really great, isn't it? 3 beautiful colors in this. These are all hand block printed fabric. The cotton is really thick, where you do not go for a lining, and it is casual wear, best for an Indian climatic condition. Let me open this black and show you. This is the black color top. You can find a block print over here and here, different prints, and also you can find a patchwork all over the neck panel, and also these are all real mirrors with hand embroidery. And this is the pant for this, and yes, in dupatta also we have got minute mirror works here and there, so that it looks little jilly. Maroon with this green color, yellow with this beautiful sky blue color. It's a dark sky blue color. Our favorite design, such a beautiful Angaraka pattern, where last time it was a super duper hit and went on into production, and now once again it has come back. Whoever missed last time can go for this time. Let me open my favorite color. It's a deep bottle green color. See this Angaraka pattern with this nice beautiful embroideries, and also katha work and abla work and everything. So this is the printed pant for this, and this is the printed cotton soft cotton dupatta. These, like what to say, after washing, it will be really softer and softer all the time. So this is how the dupatta looks. Deep jet black with rust color combination. You can see printed pant, and then this is the printed dupatta. Deep maroon with rust combination with this printed pant and this printed dupatta with anangraka style. Deep peacock blue with this rust color combination, printed pant and then printed dupatta. Our super hot design all the time. Last time it came in a different color, and this time it's a fresh hot color. See this, how beautiful it's looking, and beautiful it's looking on me. And then this is the pant, printed pant for this, and this is a rust color printed dupatta. See the color combination? Color combination is pretty great. 4 different colors of same pattern. We have got amazing colors, and the fabric is really great, and the prints are so good. Let me open and show you guys how it really looks. Let me open this Kashish color. Kashish color printed top. See this, with a patchwork and also an amazing abla works here and there. This is simple and decent. It's so nice and pretty looking salwar top, and this is the pant for this, and this comes with it, what to say, soft cotton dupatta. Dupatta has to be taken care of. Deep blue with orange color combination, mustard yellow with blue color matching, deep brown with peacock blue matching. Same pattern of different colors. This pattern is something really stylish and new arrival. Let me open and show you guys how it looks. See, this color is such a nice mustard with blackish color. So nice it is. So this is the top where you can find these are all printed and these are all embroideries. The color is so pretty and the fabric is also really great, and the surprise is the pant. I love this pant. See the pant? It's a printed pant, and then it comes with a synthetic dupatta. Lovely synthetic dupatta. So this is how it looks. Black with tomato red color, navy blue with grey. These 3 colors we have. 4 different colors in this pattern. Such a beautiful pattern, and all the time, always it is favorite. It's a little bit of polka dots. The dots shape is little different, but still such an amazing concept it is. Let me open and show you how it looks. Indigo blue with embroidery on the top. Here you can find beautiful embroideries on the neck pattern, and once again see this patchwork value added concept, something really stylish. It's very new, nice and fine, and the fabric is amazing guys. And this is the pink pant for this, contrast matching, and you have got a shaded dupatta. Dupatta has to be taken care. Deep jet black with maroon combination, green with red combination, mustard yellow with peacock blue combination. The next concept is this, and we have got 3 nice different colors. Let me open the grey color and show you guys so that you can understand how the product really look. So this is the top for this, where you have got nice printed panel at the center. It's all hand block printed fabric, and back side it comes this way, back it comes this way, and then this is the pant for this, and you have got nice synthetic dupatta for this. Green with maroon matching. The third color is this, something really different. The matching is also different. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing our colorful collections. 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp us for any video call or any other queries. We will be getting back to you within 1 or 2 hours time. And www.shivaniboutique.com is our ID, so that you can directly log on to our ID. And under the heading cotton salwar materials, you can find all these cottons, so that you can directly purchase in our website as well. And we do shipping internationally. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon with lots and lots of collections, and bye.